We begin the process by ensuring the raw glass meets our incredibly tight tolerances.
Here in receiving, we verify every shipment of premium bottles. We check the fragile glass labels and lot numbers, then move them straight to the dock doors for preparation. We use this heavy-duty stretch wrap and these honeycomb dividers. This ensures every $1,000 bottle arrives in perfect condition. Ensuring the safe transport of these bottles is paramount. They are now headed to the QC bay for inspection.
Before a single drop of whiskey touches the glass, our inspectors meticulously examine the raw materials, ensuring only the finest bottles are used. To ensure every bottle meets our premium standard, each one is meticulously inspected for any imperfections.
Only bottles that pass the rigorous weight and dimension tests are approved for the next stage. The process continues as pallets move from staging to the automated depalletizer. The operator initiates. In the making of our premium whiskey bottles, the automated depalletizer carefully lifts each layer, a crucial step in maintaining quality.
Here, the empty bottles settle onto the high-speed line. The guide rails keep them steady as they move toward the unscrambler.
Utilizing a high-speed rotary system, we meticulously align each premium bottle, preparing it for the ionized air rinse.
This is how we begin crafting our $1,000 whiskey. The rotary filler ensures absolute precision at every stage. Utilizing state-of-the-art rotary technology, we ensure that each bottle of this premium whiskey is filled with absolute precision. Loaded and sorted by the vibratory bowl feeder, then precisely fed to the corker, where they are pressed onto the bottles. The corking head presses the stopper into the filled premium whiskey bottle to the exact depth, sealing the liquid inside. The specialized machinery precisely applies the metallic capsules, preparing the bottles for the final heat shrinking process. Utilizing advanced heat tunnel technology, we guarantee a wrinkle-free finish on every capsule, preserving the quality of this premium whiskey.
Utilizing specialized machinery, the front labels are seamlessly applied, preparing these premium bottles for the next stage. Next, the dual label head applies the back label and neckband.
Traceability is paramount. An inkjet coder applies a unique serial number, and our team inspects each sample to maintain our rigorous standards. Our precision camera systems scan for any imperfection. If a misalignment is detected, the bottle is immediately diverted for rework. Even the smallest imperfection, like a misaligned label, means the bottle is pulled for careful rework before it can continue. Here we use a specialized jig and squeegee to hand apply the label, guaranteeing perfect placement on every premium bottle. Ensuring the capsule is perfectly sealed is vital. The bottle is then secured in its foam housing, ready for the next stage. Each premium bottle is manually placed into the rigid box. An accompanying booklet is added before the lid is securely closed, ready for the final seal. The packaging process begins with assembling the corrugated shipper and inserting the protective dividers, crucial for securing the valuable cargo.
Ensuring the safe delivery of these premium whiskey bottles requires meticulous case packing, a crucial step in the process.
Utilizing advanced automation, we meticulously prepare every case of our premium whiskey, ensuring the bottles reach you in perfect condition.
Every bottle is inspected and polished by hand to ensure perfection before it leaves the distillery.
It starts with the flawless capsule seal and the precision cut of the label. The lot code is then laser etched.
And that is how we ensure every bottle of our premium whiskey meets the highest standards before it leaves our distillery.
The sanitation cycle begins, meticulously cleaning the tanks. Then, anti-static air ensures. Before filling, every premium bottle undergoes a rigorous anti-static air rinse to eliminate dust and impurities. We open the sanitary valve, beginning the flow from the batch tank. This amber liquid is now ready for the filtration sample stage. Next, we draw a sample directly from the filter housing. The clarity check ensures the whiskey meets our premium standards before bottling. Crafted with precision, these $1,000 bottles are filled with the finest aged whiskey using state-of-the-art technology. Utilizing advanced HMI technology, we ensure the fill level is precise. Each bottle is perfectly measured before proceeding to the next stage. This is the post-fill cleanup stage. Foam wheels gently wipe the neck of the filled premium whiskey bottles, preparing them for the stopper depth sensor.
The mark is detected, the label dispensed, and the pad presses firmly, finalizing the premium presentation.
To ensure every bottle meets our exacting standards, the foil label is meticulously inspected by weight check. Our QA team meticulously reviews the bottle against a strict checklist before it proceeds to the label alignment jig.
Every bottle undergoes rigorous quality assurance, from precise label alignment checks to the final closure force test, ensuring perfection.
After the final quality check, the bottle is gently seated into the foam insert, the label meticulously aligned to ensure perfect presentation.
A meticulous hand wipe, followed by the satisfying snap of the magnetic lid, pressed perfectly flush.
Next, the tamper seal is meticulously applied to the seam, guaranteeing protection and quality.
Here we load the boxed units into the shipper case, ensuring the dividers protect each premium bottle during transit. Packaging requires absolute precision. The case is taped, coated, and scanned before shipment. The pallet is capped and then immediately secured with a tight stretch wrap, preparing these valuable cases for the next stage of quality assurance.
The final stage of quality control ensures every bottle meets our exacting standards. After a thorough
This commitment to excellence is why every bottle we produce is truly a masterpiece.